Born on the 1st, 10th, 19th or 20th, in order to remedy the month of August so that you can maximize your potential. 4 critical things that happen. Number 1, घर निकलने से पहले when you step out of the house for work every day, put 2 pieces of clove in your mouth. 2 pieces लौंग के मुंह में डाल के निकलना, बाहर बुरी नजर नहीं लगेगी. You are likely to face opposition and opposite people, but they will fade away. You are far more stronger, but keep that happening. And secondly, zero tolerance for black color. Accessories okay, car color is okay, but not clothes. Zero tolerance is what it is. Zero tolerance. Ruby is a great gemstones for you, but don't waste money on gems. Have a conversation with me for 15 minutes. I'll see your charts, I'll see your numbers, and I'll tell you what gemstones actually suit you. Gemstones have the potential of boosting your life to up to 23%. That's a lot. Because it also have a life expectancy of about 10 years. That's a lot. Most importantly, sit quietly in the morning, have a cup of green tea. Very quietly, and think about the animal that you really like. An animal. Whatever picture comes to you, do it for 2 or 3 days, because see if the same picture comes in your mind. Then take a picture of that animal, pocket size, laminate it, and keep it in your purse or keep it in your pocket when you step out of the house. That spirit will come and protect you from any unknown forces that may hit you around. So I'm lining up the gemstones for you. I'm lining up the animal spirits for you. I'm lining up the food in your mouth so that you can be, saved. And you, by yourself, avoid the black colors as your own karmas. You'll be fine. You'll be powerful. You'll be prosperous. Most importantly, you will be impactful. भाई अगस्त का महीना इतना सिंपल नहीं है. 2, 11, 20, 29 बॉन्ड के लिए स्टार्ट करते हैं. How to remedy your numbers so that you maximize your potential. Remember, August by itself is not an easy month for the whole world. We want to make you very happy and protected. 2-3 छोटी छोटी चीजें. एक तो light green color is your best. The more lighter colors you wear, you are lucky. Light green is going to get you money. Simple. Also, that's greens in general, fibers, foods in general, also takes care of your stomach, because your stomach has always been weak. We've talked about that in the past also, so no new thing here. What most important is, start getting into some kind of a music that either calms you down or elevates you. अब आपको एक frame of mind to achieve करना है where you will be thinking long term and envisioning, because this is your best month. Stress तो है, so music helps. Try to focus on the music that you really intuitively are liking it, because ये आपको elevate करता है. जहाँ तक कि gemstones का सवाल है, you have a conversation with me. No more spending money on gemstones, no more recommendations. Let's understand your charts first. I'll recommend what gemstones to wear and why. For which, of course, I'll tell you the telltale marks of what the issues are, without you having to say anything. That's exactly been the format anyways. I don't ask anything else. So let's also understand what gemstones work for you. They do work for about 20-23%. So any which ways, the more specific we are about your charts, the more successful you are. And the last thing is, this is also the time to feel grounded. Walking barefoot on grass, walking barefoot at home, cycling, gardening, just to get your feet grounded to the Mother Earth, so that you are a doer, you're a practical executor. Let's remedy your life when you're born on the 3rd, 12th, 21st or 30th of any month, and let's see how August works out well for you after these remedies. मैं आपको इस महीने एक साधु संत बना के छोड़ूंगा. There are a lot of vulnerabilities, make no mistake about it. I'm not mincing my words. कुछ ऐसी चीजें हैं जो hurt करेंगी. आपको stomach को देखना ही है. You have to take care of your stomach. So ensure that you're not eating too much of oily, spicy food. एक सौंफ का पानी सुबह पी लिया करिए. जितनी भी आपके पास गैस होगी या नेगेटिव टॉक्सिक सब्सटेंसेस होंगे, वो डिसॉल्व हो जाते हैं. सिंपल क्यूमिन सीड का सौंफ या सौंफ का पानी इन द मॉर्निंग. Simple stuff, but no tobacco. Reduce it significantly if you are a habitual smoker. No drinking. Reduce it completely, because Saturn clashes right now with Guru and Sun. That intoxication is not allowed. No black color of any sorts, except for the fact that you already have a car or an accessory and you can't do anything about it. But otherwise, avoid black like a plague. I would go as much as to say that अपना बियर्ड भी कम कर लीजिए, बियर्ड का साइज कम कर दीजिए. अपने चश्मे का फ्रेम जो है, जो आपके थर्ड आई चक्रा को कवर करता है, it should also not be black. That kind of a serious precaution that you need to take. And most definitely, no rash driving. On the other hand, extrapolate, go all out with charity, helping people, plants, animals, or climate. These remedies work, timely remedies hai. But for you to understand what are remedies of life, detailed remedies, press the link below. It takes you to a subscription-based channel of mine where I put in long remedies, where I teach how to execute those remedies. Something that you can learn for the rest of your life and also share ahead. Make sure that you are a part of that conversation also. It empowers. And then of course, my favorite subject, I love my gems. You have a conversation with me, get onto my office, talk to them, fix up a 15 minutes conversation. I'll just tell you what gems will work for you, why. And that why is what I don't ask anyone. I will tell you what I can see in your chart without asking you a single word. That's a validation. It's a very simple thing and it should be done. Once I've understood your chart and you say, yes, that's what's happening, I will tell you what remedies to take. You know, a gemstone is 23% of our life. That's a big one. And lasts for about a decade. That's also large. And so why not? As long as you understand the science of it. I am looking to remedy the month of August for number 4, 13, 22nd or 31st born people. When it comes to remedies, information itself is a remedy. It's a volatile month. It can give you amazing breakthroughs and it can also give you a big scatter in life. So we need to consolidate your faculties. एक बार होता है when things feel out of hand, Hanuman ji is a big power for you. चाहे वो आप उनको अपना फादर मानो, अपना भाई मानिए, अपना बिग बॉस मानिए, है तो वो बिग बॉस. It will take a lot of negative energies for you onto themselves and protect you. So what's the theme of this month? Protection. So then the second thing is, of course, get yourself the extra energies and extra mental stress out of your system. Hit the gym, go for long walks, walk barefoot on grass, anything that releases your pent up energies, which can cause a scatter in your thinking process. And most importantly, आप लोगों के इमोशनल ड्रामा में अटैच होना बंद करिए. अंडरस्टैंड द क्रक्स ऑफ देयर कम्युनिकेशन. वो क्या कहना चाह रहे हैं. Words carry a lot of emotions, don't have to do it. Simple remedies. For the elaborate ones, press the link below. Go there are subscription based remedies there where I take a lot of efforts to explain the remedies, elaborate them as well. And then there is always this gemstone which is going to be your birthstone. It's a go-mate, but I would like to first have a conversation with you, maybe a 15 minutes one, where we talk about what your charts are showing and hence what the best recommended gemstones can be. Gemology has always been a science. We need to understand and not spend money recklessly on that. It works to a point when it's analyzed well. So when you talk about remedying something, remedies तो तब होती हैं जब इंसान को पता होता है issue क्या है. 5th or 14th or 23rd born, how do you remedy the month of August? Quiet mind, open heart, relax. मैंने आपको last time कहा था. That continues because I said that must continue for years to come because it's going to take your mind from the current state to many fold higher. We need your mind to work to the fullest. You have a lot of power in you. So what are we going to do about that? Secondly, excess energy जो dissipate, जो scatter करती है आपको, start hitting the gym. Start exercising so that you are able to temper down your excess energy. Now you're building up something for some extent. Please use social media. You are a power. Start garnering forces, especially the youth, towards patriotism, towards nationalism, towards the fact that we need to make the country strengthened. You have the power. उसमें process में होगा क्या? आपका self confidence बढ़ेगा, आपका inner leadership बढ़ेगी. Now that's an amazing way to bring in remedies, and you also help your country. Remedies दो तरीके से होती है. One, when your planets are not working, your energies are not working, we can use the gemstones. Talk to my team. For 15 minutes, we can sit and figure out what's the best gemstones for you. Because they are expensive, don't waste money. The second remedy is press the link below. It leads you to a subscription-based remedy channel of mine where I explain things in details कि भी remedy को execute कैसे करते हैं, उसका science क्या है. All of that is going to take you to a point where you are a power to be reckoned in times to come, my friends. Let's talk a little bit of remedies if you're 6th, 15th or 24th born. कि भी अगस्त में remedies क्या use कर सकते हो so that you can maximize your potential. Firstly, decongest your mind. Meditation music, green tea, walking barefoot on grass, hitting the gym, cycling, whatever it is, decongest your body. Secondly, decongest your mind. Negative people who are around you, start becoming quietly detached. Be respectful, be caring, it is okay. but now be a little detached with such people. Your too much is at stake in your life to fall for the scatter. Number 3, थोड़ा सा time लेके dress up nicely. Get the car must be clean and the shoes must be polished. Whatever works for you. ये लक्ष्मी जी की मेहर है. Keep it nice, keep it beautiful, keep it prim and proper. And the last thing is थोड़ा सा quietness adopt करो इस month के लिए. Be a little quiet, be a little silent in your opinions. Let people talk, don't react too much. Now 2 तरीके से रेमेडीज होंगी आपकी. रेमेडीज तो पहले आपको जेम स्टोन्स मैं ऑफर करूंगा बिकॉज एक ही प्रॉब्लम होती है विच आई ऑल्सो मेंशन्ड इन द पास्ट. बॉडी डज बिकम वीक. सो टॉक टू मी, टेक अनदर 15 minutes conversation. Let's see what gemstones work for you. These are expensive investments, don't waste money. Second, of course, is just press the link below. एक subscription मिल जाएगा. This link leads you to a subscription-based channel where I have remedies elaborately mentioned, elaborately explained, and I keep updating them time and again. So born on 7th, 16th and 25th, you have to remedy the month of August so that you reach your fullest potential. Naturally, there are 4 or 5 things to focus on. Number 1, and why I say naturally is because यही वो time है जब आपका breathing apparatus सबसे ज़्यादा stress में रहेगा. Neck and above, thyroid, sinus, chashma, headaches, overthinking mind, all of that is coming to the head right now. So let's focus on that only. First, the breathing apparatus. No tobacco. Even if you are in a polluted environment like the NCR, please start using your filters and mask if you can. Otherwise, at least घर में filter तो on होना चाहिए. That's your breathing apparatus. Second is calmness of mind. Mental stress है और वो बढ़ेगा थोड़ा सा. So you have to work at mind techniques, whether you listen to meditation music, whether you start taking green tea before you go to sleep, whether you start taking morning walks and walk barefoot on grass, कुछ भी करो अपने mind को थोड़ा stabilize करो. Number 3, this is the time where blessings also need to be taken in from the crown chakra. यहाँ से blessings आती हैं. Old temple visit करना very good. Always is, this time even better. सेवा या दान, which is in terms of not only is your money being required, but also your efforts. As I keep saying, for humans, for plants, for climate, for animals, whatever you think, do it. This is where I said in the beginning of the other reel, I said this is your best time to make money, retain and grow money. These are your remedies to ensure that happens. Now there are gemstones that can help you work better, enhance your lifespan actually. वो lifespan enhance करते हैं. Talk to my team. Get yourself a consultation for 15 minutes to understand what gemstones will work. Oh, for you, gemstones are miraculous. And I know that because I've used it on myself and I've also shared it with my father who was 7th born. Born on the 8th, 17th and 26th, and we need to remedy the month. Not much to be done because everything else been said in the other reel. 3 things. कुछ तो आप black कड़ा पहन लीजिए. Kind of some metal so that आपको बुरी नजर नहीं लगे. Black has to be avoided. शनि के टाइम पे black दान दिया जाता है, पहना नहीं जाता. Number 3, detox yourself. No alcohol, no toxicity of any kind. This is a time for you to focus on money, on power and opportunities. Number 4, spirituality has to grow so that blessings come from the universe. कहीं ना कहीं आप charity पे जाओ, but mostly if you can go for underprivileged kids, even better. वो blessings ज़्यादा मिलती है. There's a point I say, जिंदगी में कभी आपने मौका मिले तो बच्चा अडॉप्ट करना, हो सके तो करना. Even if you don't believe in it, that's a different thing altogether. Once you adopt a human child, it's a huge blessing of God. And the last thing that you need to do is look at the gems, because थोड़ा सा चोट लगती है, नेक के ऊपर स्ट्रेस होता है, नी के नीचे स्ट्रेस होता है, स्टमक पे फर्क पड़ता है. So there are a couple of gemstones that can work very well. Talk to me, take a 15 minutes conversation. I'll explain to you, as per your charts, what gemstones do you require. Gemology works. It's a 20,000-year-old science. Make no mistake about it. We want you safe. We want you strong. We want you spiritually very balanced so that you can be whom you want to be. So born on the 9th, 18th and 27th, हम इसको remedy करने जा रहे हैं. It's such a volatile month for you. So many opportunities and yet so much of chaos. So quiet mind, open heart, relax. एक simple switch word है. Quiet mind, open heart, relax. 8 मिनट बोलना है आंखें बंद करके, साइलेंटली मन में बोलना है. Make that happen through a cell phone alarm and do this. This is really going to give you immense focus and concentration. घास पे नंगे पैर चलना, घर पे नंगे पैर चलना, साइकिलिंग करना, गार्डनिंग करना, ये मैं बहुत बता चुका हूँ, सबको बता चुका हूँ. This is old wine, new bottle if you may, but it is important at this time. Hydrate yourself, most definitely keep drinking water. Use red as a color of safety. Something red must be on you. Absolutely yes. All of that works very well. But you know what? This is that kind of a time you can't put a real finger on nine-born people ke hoga kya. You need that 15-minute conversation with me. Zoom पे आओ, कौन सा gemstones चलेगा, क्या remedies हो सकती है. Have a little conversation on, especially so on the gemstones, because your natural gemstones are coral, pearl, yellow sapphire, emeralds, etc. They are expensive. Not everything needs to be used and you know we put on you. However, if needed be, then that's also going to save you from accidents. That's why I'm saying have a conversation with me. Guys, detox yourself this month and have a phenomenal life ahead.